Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create telecom waves logo using curved custom shapes. Today we will design a modern telecom wave logo using curved custom shapes. Start with a dark blue background for a professional look. Then draw a circle and position it as the base shape. Now create multiple curved wave shape from the custom shape tool, then rotate and align them to form a wireless signal icon. Apply gradient overlays to give it a metallic feel. Now combine the shapes into a single group, then duplicate the wave for a layered effect. Add a brand initials in bold typography. Apply a neon glow for a futuristic touch. Use